you're gonna find yourself some way, somehow, just more than I could take. Pity for pity's sake, some nights kept me away. I thought that I was stronger. When you gonna realize that you don't even have to try any longer? Do what you want to, girl, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. Now go ahead, let your head down. I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm the lonely night. I love you, baby, trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, don't bring me down, I swear, oh, pretty baby, now that I found you, stay and let me love you. Trust in me when I say, don't you know, don't you know that it's wrong to take what he's giving you and so far gone on your own? Well, you can get along if you try to be strong, but you'll never be strong. Well, you're a rich girl and you're gone too far, 'cause you know it don't matter anyway. You can rely on the old man's money, you can rely on the old man, honey, it's a bitch, girl, but you gone too far, 'cause you know it don't matter anyway. Say money, but it won't get you too far, get you too far. What'll you do when you get lonely and nobody's waiting by your side? Well, you've been running and hiding much too long. You know it's just your foolish pride, Layla. You got me on my knees, Layla. I beg you, darling, please, Layla. Well, darling, won't you ease my worried mind? Well, I've come much too far for me now to find the love that I sought can never be mine. And though you don't believe that they do, well, they do come true. For did my dreams come true when I looked at you? And maybe too, if you would believe, you too might be overjoyed, overloved, over me. And did you have to pay that fine that you were dodging all the time? Are you still dizzy? Well, since I come home where my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress, well, why don't you come on over and stop making a fool out of me?